So this is my bedroom, and last week I did this wallpaper. I pushed out this old dresser, which I will be building a new one, and added this beautiful paper to this wall. And now I want to hang the TV on the wall and run the cords through the wall so you don't see them anymore. I found a really thin TV mount that will hold the TV really close to the wall, and then I grabbed this 3-inch spider bit that I can auger out a hole right under the mount where the cord will go. I measured on my TV and drilled a hole about where I thought the plug would need to run through the wall down to the bottom plug. This auger bit even has a way to pop out the core, which makes it super easy and fast work of these holes. I found this kit which has these nice plates for each hole, which will make it look nice and tidy. And you do want to make sure and check your local codes to see if something like this is allowed. We do not have any insulation in our walls and there's no fire blocking, so it was simple to run the cord down and through. And a lot of these TVs now run low voltage power, so it makes it a lot more simple. Next, I'm moving on to the custom dresser, so stay tuned for that.